Hey, what's up everybody? So this Friday, September 10th, we're starting a 10-day juice cleanse challenge. So in this video, this is going to be a little different. This is going to be more of an instructional video for those who are new to juicing, who this might be your first time ever doing a cleanse. This video is for you. So typically doing a cleanse, you want to consume between 70 and 90 ounces of juice per day. And it really depends on how active you are. So if you're not really active and don't plan on doing any kind of exercises, 70 ounces may be more than enough. Now, if you're working out, walking, jogging, going to the gym, you may want to consume, or you'll probably need to consume probably more, like 90 ounces or more. But the key during the cleanse is not to be restrictive. Drink as much juice as you like. If you feel hunger pains, go get you some juice. If you're bored, just drink you some juice. It's all good because it's fueling your body with the nutrients to help alkalize your body, to help remove those toxins out of your body, and then to replenish them with healthy nutrients. And so drink as much as you like. Don't restrict yourself. And don't make it something that's complicated. There's no specific recipes that we'll be using. You can come up with your own recipes. You can use some of mine. The goal is to try to use a combination of fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables. So we don't want to do just fruits. We want to make sure that we have a nice balance of fruits and vegetables, because we know that fruits cleanse our system, and that's really important because we want to cleanse the toxins out of our bodies. But we also know that vegetables replenish and restore. We want to do that as well. And so there's no restriction on how much you can drink. There's no restriction on what you should be juicing. Figure out what works best for you, what works best for your budget. So I wanted to give you an example of what I'll juice in a typical day during the 10-day juice cleanse. So normally for me, I like to go to the store the day before and do my juicing that night. And so this is what I would typically purchase for the day. So I have 2 containers of red grapes. I have some beets, 4 beets, 2 golden, 2 red. I have red kale. I have some organic carrots, ginger, apples, 2 English cucumbers, and 2 pineapples. Now this will be more than enough for a day. So we're gonna get started on prepping first. Now that's a key component to the juicing. So normally what I do is I put all of my juice in water with some apple vinegar to help to get the pesticides off. And you're gonna do that, and you're gonna leave that soaking for about 15 minutes. So let's do that first, all right? So you're going to fill your sink with water and add about a tablespoonful of apple cider vinegar. So there you have it. That's about 150 ounces of juice. So that's going to give you enough juice for about 2 days if you only drink 75 ounces per day. And plus, we have some fruits and vegetables that are left over that we didn't use, and we'll store these in the refrigerator. At the bottom of the refrigerator, the lower level, where the temperature is different than the top portion, which helps to maintain the freshness of your fruits and vegetables. And if you're able to, make sure you store them in a sealable container.